back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. So today guys, I have another interesting video, and we are going to be using this REFLECTOCIL, and it looks something like this. This is color number 3 called Natural Brown. And here's the backstory. You know what happens? I was going to Clicks. I was just going to, to buy my own things, and then I came across this product here, and it's a tint. So I wanted to see how actually it's going to look and how it works. So your girl actually grabbed this alone, guys. Like, I actually grabbed this, and this was like 140. Yeah, this was actually 120 if not 124 at Clicks. Then your girl comes home, and I'm picking through. I want to open and see like how it actually works, and I'm supposed to actually buy the developer for it. And I was like, oh my god, this thing is very expensive, so it better do something. So I went back to Clicks to actually buy the REFLECTOCIL oxidant, which is something like this right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This baby here is 140. So imagine 120 and 140 combined. I better have the perfect brow ever. So y'all, there was color number 1. So they were only selling 1 and 3. Color number 1, which is black, and my brows are black. I don't know why didn't I take black, but I was like, I don't really want dark brows, but I'm not sure if this is too light. So great. So this is how my brows are looking right now. So the one thing that I really want to do is actually tweeze, sort of shape my brows, So I got myself a spoolie. This is just a mascara wand that it's just an old mascara wand. Okay, so I just cleaned it, and we're just going to brush them brows, to sort of also get into shape. Of course, you want to make sure you do a patch test first to see if you are not reacting at all. So now that I'm done brushing my brows like that, I'm gonna go in with my tweezers. Oh my god, this is my first time actually trying to tweeze myself. Okay, let's see. Oh, Father Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of the living God. Oh you know what, y'all, we are gonna tweeze. So I have myself some razor blades, so I'm just gonna try to actually just clean up the tail of my brows. I am really not good with this, y'all, like, so there is that. I think that's where we're going to stop. This is how we are looking right now. Okay, so this product comes with instructions right here. So I did read through the instructions. So this is what I'm going to do actually, so that I do not mess up. I'm just going to draw the shape that I want. I'm actually using a black color, so this is just to shape. It's not a brow tutorial, like, I just want to see, and yeah, just to define the shape of my brows the way I like them to look. And then I'm just gonna do the same on the other one. And even the same. So now I'm just going to take off everything that is below the line, just to make sure we are super clean and everything is just neat. Okay, now that I'm done doing that, I have myself a container of Vaseline, and I've got myself a toothpick. So now I'm just gonna scoop out the product, and what I'm going to do is to apply this just underneath the line, so that we do not dye areas where we do not want to dye. So we're gonna do the same on top, just like that. So I've got my REFLECTOCIL with me right here, and color number 3. I'm just gonna open this up. Ooh. When you open it, it comes with, it's like a tube in a way, like it's like a medicine tube, and it comes with an applicator, as you can see right here. So the instruction says if you are using a bottle with pink here, I don't know guys, you have to put 15 drops, and if you're using one with blue, you have to put 10 drops. I'm going to use this, my deodorant spray lid, to actually put the product, because I do not have a tray. Usually they have a tray. This thing is not even opened, so I think you have to like do this. I don't know, put a hole. Oh y'all, I think I messed up. Like, look at this color. There is no way this color will be my color. No freaking ways. Yeah, can you see? That is the amount that I'm going to use. So I'm just gonna go in with my 3% volume oxidant that I have with me right here. So when you open it up, it comes with, can you guys see? It comes with it's like a pointed, not really pointed mouth, lips. I don't know, what is it called? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think that's a lot. Oh, there's a fly here. Guys, the color is totally red. Like, so now I'm just going to apply this product. I hope I'm not dyeing my eyebrows brown. I just want to draw like little hairs going up, like more like disguising some natural brow going on. I don't know if this will work because I don't have hair here at all. Let's see. Guys, this thing is turning dark actually. So I have to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes and then remove this. But obviously the other brow is already developing. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Can you guys see that I messed up here? I'm just gonna go in with my, what is this? Q-tip. This brow is not having it, y'all. Like, oh my god. Okay. This is my problem brow and it's giving me problems even when I'm tinting. Can you stop it, please? Could you just... This brow looks bad. It looks odd. So this is how the brows are looking now, y'all. Come to think about it, y'all, like this dark brown is actually a perfect brown. Like, it looks like a perfect brown. I don't know, let's wait, we'll see. This thing claims to be an eyelash thingy as well. It claims to tint eyelashes as well. Can I do my lashes as we wait? Can I do flip? I'm definitely doing my lashes. Let's try that. So right now, y'all, we're going to just like wipe everything off. I have my cloth with me right here. Some people use wipes. I think it's better to actually use wipes if you want to stain your cloth. But anyways, let's go. We're gonna start with the brow that we started with, y'all. I hope it's not super dark and I hope it's not brown. So prepare to cry or celebrate with me right now, y'all. So okay, let's do this. Oh my god. So let's wipe. Okay. Sort of like a natural brow, like you don't really need to, like you don't really need to draw your brows every now and then. I missed some spots here and I did put the dye on my skin and I'm trying to actually wipe everything off to see whether this will wipe off, and y'all, it's not even, like, it's not getting anywhere. I do have some spots right there, which I think we should just do a second round of this and see. Let's see. I'm so excited. Like, your girl can go to a pool. Well, I can't swim, but anyways, I can go inside a pool and still have brows on. So this is how the brows are looking now. So I'll just put the before and after so that you guys can see. I just put before and after. This is how we are looking right now. I think you may want to get someone, like you may want to get the pads, put them on, close your eyes, and then do the product while the pad is there, and then that's when you're gonna like wait for a couple of moments, and then after you remove, because if the product goes into your eyes, Lord, I was literally crying. I was like, why did I do this to myself? But my poor eyes, y'all, I hope they're not even inflamed. But anyways, we are going in with the second round of this because I want to fill up the patches that I have there. I don't know how to do that. I think I'm gonna keep it longer, and then when I'm done, guys, I'm gonna come back to you and, you know, tell you my thoughts and everything and how everything is looking. Okay, so I'm back with round 2, and then now we're just gonna like remove everything so that we can see. I've got my cotton pad with me right here, and I just put water in it, and now I'm just going to remove the first brow. Oh my god, second round come through. Guess who's never drawing brows ever, guys? Like, oh my god. Like, if ever I go in with a pencil, just go and feel there. I realized that wherever I do not have hair, like the dye didn't really stick, but it, like I do, but the skin really did accept the dye a little bit. So if you are someone with really less brow, the product can still work, but it's not gonna be as intense. Maybe you'll need color 1 for you to actually get everything like shaped and stuff, you know. Or if you are super bald, you may want to use color 1, I think. Here's one thing you should know, y'all. Like, if you decide to draw the other brow and it doesn't look like the other brow, just know you're gonna be stuck with that. Like, just this one, y'all, I just feel like it's not really similar to this one, but it's not really like much of a big deal. Like, it's not too bad, but I can see it. This one is a bit thin, this one is a bit thick, so I don't know, I just have to deal with this for some time. I don't know for how long, y'all, I don't know, but we'll see. I don't know how long it lasts. I don't know if I'll come back with an update for you guys and tell you for how long it lasts, but for now we are happy, y'all. Like, I'm really happy about this. Like, can you guys see? This is like the after. Of my brows. Like, I'm just gonna keep on using this product now and then because I'm super happy, and I mean, for the price that they're selling this product for, I'm really happy. Like, although I thought maybe the box itself is gonna die me, like I literally thought, you know, 120, that's it. So unfortunately you have to add the 140 to actually buy the developer and then, you know, start working. As long as you know the shape of your brow. The worst part is when you really don't know, you don't even know how to draw your brows, because I have no idea. But I have a suggestion for you. You may want to go in with a stencil, you know, the brow stencils, and then put it in between. So you're gonna put it right here, and then you just put the dye like in there. I think that way is neater, and you're gonna get the perfect brow that you are looking for. And then voila, you've got your brow. You don't have to suffer drawing eyebrows every day of your life, and also, you know, having to conceal. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.